If you want to know the correct way to adjust the grinder on your DeLonghi coffee maker, learn how to fix the most common issues, and discover what you need to do to get a more intense coffee, don't miss this video. One of the most important settings on your MAGNIFICA START coffee maker is the grind size. Normally, the machine comes from the factory with the correct setting, but in some cases it needs to be adjusted to achieve better coffee extraction. To adjust the grind size, you need to remove the lid of the coffee bean hopper to access this dial. The grind size is indicated by the numbers you see on the dial. Lower numbers mean a finer grind, while higher numbers mean a coarser grind. The current setting is shown by the number aligned with this mark you can see here. If, when preparing an espresso, you notice that the coffee comes out very quickly and the result is weak and watery, it means the grind is too coarse. In this case, the water flows through the ground coffee too easily, without extracting all the aroma and flavor. What you should do then is adjust the grind to a finer setting by turning the dial to the left, counterclockwise, to select a lower number. However, it's very important to make this adjustment while the coffee is being prepared, when the grinder is running, as you can see now. Otherwise, the adjustment may not be applied correctly, and could even affect the proper operation of the coffee maker. It's also recommended to move the dial only one step at a time. In other words, don't skip several numbers at once. Keep in mind that the results won't be noticeable until you've prepared at least 2 coffees, so be patient when making this adjustment. The opposite can also happen. The grind may be set too fine, preventing the water from flowing properly through the ground coffee. As a result, the coffee comes out too slowly and tastes overly bitter. When this happens, you'll need to turn the dial to the right, clockwise, to move to a higher number. As before, make sure to do this while the grinder is running. Adjust one number at a time, and prepare several coffees before adjusting it again. With a bit of practice and patience, you'll be able to fine-tune your coffee maker and enjoy coffees full of body and aroma. We hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.